Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer Notcoin from Tonkeeper wallet to the Telegram wallet. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into, and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, you want to go to your Tonkeeper and click on option send. Once you will have it, you're going to go ahead to your Telegram and copy the address. So on Telegram, you want to choose Notcoin and click receive option. Here you will see your address, which you want to go ahead and copy and go back to Tonkeeper. Here on Tonkeeper, you want to paste it. And as you can see, the comment is not required. So you don't need to enter anything here because you are sending it from Tonkeeper to Telegram. Telegram and Tonkeeper doesn't have memos and it's not required and your funds will not be lost. So after that, just click continue. From here, you will have an option to choose Notcoin. And you're going to enter the Notcoin amount and you're going to click continue and send your Notcoin from Tonkeeper to Telegram. Now you will see your funds here, and that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.